Okay, guys. So today we're going to see the new topics. So this is also supervised machine learning techniques. So today we are going to see about classification. So yesterday we are seeing regression. So regressions only predict the numeric value, but classification is predict the categorical. Okay, categoricals. Okay, I tell you. So what is categorical? Okay, so guys, you have to assume that so the x is the number of hours. So x is the number of hours and y is the pass or fail. Okay, so if the student studied 1 hour, he will get fail mark. So if he studied 2 hours, he will get fail mark. If he studied 5 hours, he will get pass. And if he studied 6 hours, he will get pass. Have you got my point? Yes. So
Pass or fail have been mentioned in the Boolean values, am I right?
not Boolean value. We
Mhm.
just assume like fail or denote as
Sorry,
zero.
sorry, not Boolean. Zero means fail, one means pass.
Yes. So
Okay.
in your class, there are 60 members are there. In our school and college days, they will not call our names. They are only call our roll number wise,
All
right?
numbers.
So if we have another mark, so we will add as a 2. Okay, category. Have you got my point? So if you're writing apple, orange, banana, so we will not directly write the name. We have to assume 0 is a apple, 2 is a orange, and 3 is a banana. So like up. Have you got my point? So here we will use only zeros and ones because here all the states are pass and fail only, right? Yes. So guys, this is
Yes.
a binary classification. It means we have only using zeros and one.
Once.
Okay, so this is a binary classification. If you are using comma 2, that is called multi-class classification. Okay, so what I'm saying now, binary classification has only two elements, zeros or ones. So multi-class classification has more than two. Okay, 0 1 2 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 4 5 likewise. Okay, so this is the classification, guys. It's you people are only predict the categorical, right? So this is the categorical. You people are predicting whether it's fail or pass. Okay, so if in case the student studying 7 hours, he will get pass or fail.
Pass.
Pass. If he studied 2.5 hours, if he get pass
Fail.
or fail. Yes. So this is a classification, right? So we just predict the categorical. Okay. So this is called binary classification. So the classification has several types, and binary classification has only using for pass or fail. So guys, only two classes, zero class and first class. Okay, so you have to assume, so we have a mail, right? Mail id, so we will sometimes we will got mail from spam, right? If our mail is spam, so it returns into spam folder, right? Hmm.
Yes.
So we can denote like this also. So 0 denotes spam and 1 denotes as a no spam. In another example, if the candidate has accepted, so that is 1. So if he rejected, we call it as 0. So it's one using for two classes. Have you got my point? If the candidate is male, so it the male denote as 0. If the female candidate denotes as a 1. Have you got my point? Two classes we define as zeros and ones only, guys. Any two classes, reject or accept, or spam or not spam, or male or female, or any others. Have you got my point?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
And multi-class classification means we will add another classes. So it has two or more classes. Okay. So it consists 0 1 2. or 0 1 2 3 or 0 1 2 3 4 5 infinity. Okay, and multi-label classification means, so we have several labels, like you have to assume that, so you are going to movie. So movie is a main thing, and if the movie is in comedy scene, if we have comedy scene, we will give as a 1, otherwise we will give as a 0, right? Yes.
Like
Yes,
in any
right.
case, true or false comes in, then
Yes.
there we are using
Yes.
0 and 1.
Yeah. If we are using true, because this is also called two classes, right? True or false. If it's comedy scene, 1 or 0. Okay. If it is fight scene, 1 or 0, your wish. So if the film has a fight scene, so you can give as a 1, otherwise you will give as a 0. Okay. So this is called multi-label classification. Have you got my point? So guys, today I forgot my notepad, so that's the reason I'm drawing my finger only. So, do you have any doubts? I
Sorry,
think
what is
Yeah.
multi-label?
so. Multi-label means we will give. Wait a minute. So guys, in our pandas concept, so we will give name and age label, right? So data frame, in our starting data frame concept, we will give name and age, right? Alice and Bob and their age, right? Remember the previous days. Have you remembered? Is guys, have you remembered?
Yeah, there were name.
Yes, in pandas concept, first we will see in series, right? So the next concept is data frame. So we
Data
will
frame.
convert, it means a dictionary to data frame, right? Using data frame functions, we will give name as a label, age as a label, and we will give the
Yeah.
names, right? The same concepts, the comedy also one of the label, and this one, fight also one of the label. So this is called multi-label classification.
So in binary we give 0 and 1 for true and false.
Yes. We have mentioned true
So
and false also ones and
multi-class,
zeros.
multi-class also giving 0 and 1.
Not 0 and 1. We will give 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 likewise. So, Alka, we are going to vegetable shop. There are many vegetables are there, right? So it's a different category, right? So we have to assume, so tomato is a 0, and green chili is a 1, and onion is a 2. We can categorize it as a numeric value. Have you got my point? We not
Okay,
directly
and
call the name.
multi-label also here also giving 0 1.
So binary class has only zeros and ones, Alka.
0
Binary
1.
class ones is
Multi-class
zeros and
has
ones.
1 2 0
So
1 2 3 4.
0 to infinity. So
0 to 3. Yeah,
multi-class means 0 to infinity.
yeah.
Any number, 0 1 2 or 0 1 2 3 or 0 1 2 3 4 5 likewise. Have you got my point?
Hmm.
Okay, so once you people are seeing the coding, then you can easily understand. And
So
next,
0 to 1 binary class, 0 to infinity multi-class, multi-label
Hmm.
means?
multi-label
Yeah.
means we have two or more labels.
Okay.
Hmm.
So here we give label by name, like as you said, like
Comedy and
age.
fights.
We are categorizing, yeah, a comedy or
Yeah.
action movie, something like
Genres.
that.
Yes.
Okay.
And the next one, so guys, see, the first algorithm is logistic regression. The first algorithm is logistic regression. So logistic regression means is we are only using for binary classification. You can draw the diagram. You can draw the diagram using this data set X and Y. So wherever the students, if they are studying first 4 hours, they will get pass mark. So the red dot we will provide here, right? So 1 and 2 and 3, right? And 4. If they are getting pass, means here 5, 6. Now assume that here it's not a linear regression, so the output is in sigmoid curve. It's in S shape. Have you got my point? Have you got my point? The output should be in S-shaped curve. So this is called sigmoid curve. Have you got my point, guys? Alkan Gautam.
Yeah, absolutely.
Here's a one threshold value is there. So if the students get above 50 percentage, they will get pass mark. If the students get below 50 percentage, they will get fail mark. We just, guys, this is the probability range, zeros and ones only. Okay, it means 0 to 100. It means 0 to 100. This is the probability range. Do you have any doubts? So in logistic regression, it has only binary classification. The probability should be in zeros and ones, and it is in sigmoid curve, and it has threshold value. Do you have any doubts in logistic regression? The diagram is very simple. Do you have any doubts? This is just a demo. So we will see in our theoretical class. Do you have any doubts here?
So the x-axis is the hours of study and y-axis is pass or fail.
Yeah.
Okay.
Have you got it?
Actually, in linear regression, the progression is continuous, but here in this graph, it starts from 0 and going until 5, it will directly go up in a S-shaped manner.
Yes, the graph is in S shape. So this is called sigmoid curve. It's like a S shape. Okay, so don't worry. You just assume. So we will see in our theoretical and coding concept. Okay. So the next one is decision tree, guys. You just ulta of tree image. So first one is root node. So this is a root node. So these are the leaf node, and this is the parent node, and this is the parent node. So I'll tell you, just assume. So root node is the initial node. Okay, so it has two children. So it has two children. One is here and another one is here. Okay, so now it has two children. So now this node has two children. Now the node is to become a parent. Have you got my point? Guys, have you got my
Yeah, like
point?
a family tree.
Yes. Okay, so these are called leaf node, or we are also called as child node, and this is called parent node, or else we call as internal node. Have you got my point?
Yes.
Okay, so internal or external node. So the starting node is a root node. This is our root node, and this is our parent node. So these leaf has no children, so then only this is a child node. Have you got my point? Okay, why I am saying now, so decision tree is using for decision making, guys. So you have a batter, in your home. Okay, so you have a batter. One second. Okay, so you have a batter on your home, and you have two options. What are the two options you will prepare using batter? Dosa. What's another decision? Dosa,
Idli.
idli. Okay, only two decisions only. You are asking your home. Okay, there's one minute. Okay, so dosa or idli. If the family members will select dosa, you have another decision, right? Do you want? Though there are many
Masala
varieties.
dosa or onion dosa?
Yes. We will give masala. And another variety.
Onion.
Uh,
Plain onion.
okay. So this is the decision making. Have you got my point? uh, this batter is a root node, right? So if you have a 5 option, right, those are idli, onion, masala, batter. Now you have to arrange which one is root node. Batter is only root node.
That
Okay, then you are deciding dosa or idli, so using batter. This is one of the decision. And next one is this one. Okay, so and another one is you have to know that so
आने वाला कॉल
it
मार्केट आने वाला कॉल
it
मार्केट आने वाला
has just
कॉल
mute on your mic.
आने वाला कॉल मार्केट आने वाला कॉल मार्केट
Okay, so this is level 0 and this is called level 1, and this is called level 2, level 2. Okay, so if maximum depth is level 0, only batter. If maximum depth is level 1, what are the choice? What are the choices in your family? You are asking only maximum depth level 1. So what are the choice they have?
Only plain dosa and idli.
Only they are selecting dosa or idli only. Okay, if they
That is
have
what.
if they have another level, maximum depth is level 2, they have one more choices, right?
Yeah, that is what I'm saying.
we
Only
can-
dosa
we
and
can-
idli at level 1.
Yes, we can give as a level 3 also. Depends on their choices, decision making. Have you got my point? So
Yes.
yes, in this decision tree, it is used for regression and classifications also, and based on majority. So like it means, yeah, I tell you. Okay, so have you got my point in decision tree?
Yes, Vasant.
So it has a root node, leaf node, parent node, and it has 0th level, first level, second level, and more than level. Depends on the choices. Okay, and the next one is decision random forest. So it has number of decision tree. So it has number of decision tree. So you people are my students. I'm asking. So which time is suitable for you? 7 p.m. or 9 a.m. I'm asking 7 p.m. or 9 a.m. So I think you people are choosing 9 a.m., right? Yes.
Yes.
Now you people are choosing 9 a.m. So I'm choosing 7 p.m. So which one is majority?
9.
The two decision tree is majority. So in random forest is highest voting. Highest voting. Okay. So if it is majority, then only that's the answer. Have you got my point? So you can
Yeah, like
yes.
electronic voting machines, everybody will be casting their vote, but the majority of the votes goes to one person. He will be the winner, and
Yeah.
that is the decision.
Easy. It is a random forest. So a number of
Okay.
decisions to make the choice voting.
Correct.
Oh, can you repeat this again? Random forest.
So the random forest contains n number of decision trees, not three. It has n number of decision trees. Okay, so it's only define the majority voting. Okay, so you have to assume that the two models are getting 90 percentage. The two models are getting 90 percentage of accuracy, and one model is getting 70 percentage of accuracy. So which one you people are selecting?
Yeah, 90%.
90%. Okay, and another choice, guys. There are three models, I tell you. So one is 90 percentage, and another one is 80 percentage, and another one is 60 percentage. Which one is highest?
90.
So we are selecting 90 percentage. Have you got my point, guys? Both think here. So here we taking majority voting and majority number also. Have you got my point? So
Yeah, got
you
it.
can assume like so this is a three parties. So in our voting, this is a three parties: 90%, 80%, 60%. Which one is highest?
Yeah,
90
90 student.
percentage. That party will become a CM, right? Have you got my point?
Yeah.
Is guys?
Yes,
Yes.
yes, yes.
Okay, we will see our theoretical. It's very clearly it's defined, so don't worry. Okay, the support vector mission is so to find the best boundary. Okay, so to find the so I want to save from the wolf. So I want to save all the sheep. Okay, so I want to save from the wolf, so I want to make a boundaries. So this is in polynomial structure. So our India and Pakistan also polynomial structure, right? They are separating. India is one of the part and Pakistan is one of the part, right? Guys, yes or no?
Yes.
And our states also different, right? So Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Karnataka, Andhra, it's also defined by polynomial structure, right? So is they splitted in linear? Is they splitted as a linear?
No.
No. So it's in polynomial structure and this is a linear, and one more structure also we have, radial. It means round structure, so it's a radius. Have you got my point? So we have three
Yes.
shapes: polynomial, linear, and another one is radial. Okay, so we want to find the best boundaries. Okay, guys, now I'm only telling the stories only, so you have to apply on theoretical concepts. Have you got my point? So what is support vector machine to find the best boundaries? Have you got my point? Yes. And the last one is confusion matrix, guys. You just assume, guys, you just assume here. So you're getting spam mail. So actually it's a spam, but our machine learning is predicted as a spam also. And another one, your mail is a spam, but it predicted as a no spam. And here it's a really non-spam, but your machine's predicted as a spam, right? Yes, guys.
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes.
wait a minute. You guys, you people are assumed. So it is a positive. So spam denotes as a positive. Just imagine spam denotes as a positive, and no spam denotes as a negative. Just guys, just assume. I'll tell you one by one. So I'm only taking 4 record, guys. Not a huge amount of records. So I only taken four records. Okay. So now tell me. So it is a spam. So actual value is a spam, and predicted value also spam. Okay. So both are true, right? So actual value is spam and predicted also spam, right? True. It's a true output, right?
Yes.
So it
Yeah.
ends with positive, right? So then only we call it as true positive. Have you got my point? The first one is true positive. Have you got my point? So here spam and predicted is a no spam. So this is a false, right? Yes, this is false and ends with negative. So that is called false negative. Have you got my point? Guys, you are checking whether it's true or false. Here the output, here the input is no spam, but the output is what? Spam. It's false, right? Ends with what? False positive. So that is called false positive, and this is also no spam, and predicted is also no spam. So what is? It's a true. Ends with what?
Super.
True negative. So now tell me how many true positive, how many false positive, how many false negative, how many true positive negative are there? All are one, right? Hmm. Guys, just take a snap. Just take a snap and note it on your notebook. We will go to our theory parts. Just take a snap. I tell you. taken?
Yeah, taken.
Now you people are clearly understand this concept. Don't worry. Let's see. Classification is a supervised machine learning technique and is only using for to predict categorical labels. Okay, so the model learns from what you people are learned, right? So the student, if they are studying 1 hour, they will get fail mark. If they are studying 7 hours, they will get pass mark. So you people are learned from what labeled data set, right? So and classifies into new data into new predefined category. Okay, this is another definition, same now. To predict the discrete or categorical outputs, so it has the three names: discrete, categorical, and class. Example: spam or not spam, and another example is what, disease or no disease. So now see types of classification. Binary classification has only two possible outcomes. One is spam, another one is not spam, and positive or negative, approved and rejected. Depends on the problem, guys. So our output is what? Zeros or ones. True or false or yes or no. Have you got my point? Binary classification.
Yes.
Yes.
So another one is multi-class classification. So this is here we are using three or more possible categories. So this is our handwritten digits. Now tell me how many digits we have. We have a 0 to 9, right? In our mobile we have how many digits? 0 to 9. Okay,
Right.
so guys, in this digit they are using in handwriting recognitions. So if you are writing any number on your A4 sheet, okay, so if you are taking on your Google Lens, so if it is possible to find the object is, guys, you can take your newspaper or your notebook and take a photo on your Google Lens. If it is automatically detect the sentences and the numbers, it's possible.
Yes.
Yes. So here also they are using labels 0 to 9. So the zeroth number is they are denoted as a 0, and one number is they are denoted as a 1. Have you got my point? So another example is classes dog, cat, bird, fish. We will give as a categorical. So dog is a 0, cat has a 1, bird has a 2, and fish has a 3. Have you got my point? So if the weather is sunny, rainy, or cloudy or snowy, we will denote as a categorical. You can give 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. Like the same ways, guys. You can give class 0 or class 1 or class 2, depends on your classes. Have you got my point?
Yeah, yeah, got it.
So same as our classes also. We have a 60 members in our class. So we all are denoted as a roll number, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Same thing. But here starts with 0. Have you got my point?
Yes.
Okay. So another one is multi-label classifications. There are many labels are there. Just to see, the movies has comedy, action, drama. So the output be like. So if the comedy is present, 1. So if action is not present, we will mention as 0. If drama is present, we will give 1, like this. Have you got my point?
Got it.
Okay, guys. And the last one is a model evaluation matrix. So in classification part, this is our model evaluation matrix: accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. This as a formula. We already know which one is true positive, which one is true negative, which one is false positive, which one is false negative. We already know the confusion matrix. And guys, in your regression part, we have 4. What are the mean absolute error, mean squared error, root mean squared error, square score. These are for regression part. In your classification part, what are the things we have? Accuracy, precision, and recall, and F1 score. By the way, confusion matrix also we have. So this is the formula of accuracy. So you can calculate all are 1, right? So all are 1, right? So in our confusion matrix is, now tell me, so what is the answer? You just apply this formula. What is the answer? 2 divided by 4 is possible.
4.
So now divide 2 divided by 4. Now divide this. So what's the answer? 0.5. 0.5 means 50 percentage accuracy. The accuracy is 50 percentage. Now go to precision. 1 divided by 2. Here also 50 percentage and here also 50 percentage. You can calculate here also, we will get 50 percentage. Okay. So the accuracy means if I'm a teacher, so my principal is asking me, okay, so I will say accurately, so how many is your pass percentage? It not happened, guys, I'm just guessing. Okay, so it may be 95 percentage. This is my accuracy. Have you got my point?
Yeah, you're
I mean,
predicting and telling to your
just
principal
yes,
that 99% of pass percentage
accuracy.
will be there in my class.
Yes, but in my precision is they are got 80 percentage only pass percentage. Have you got my point? So accuracy is my prediction and precision is it happened. Have you got my point?
Okay. Predicting and the result, actual result.
Yeah. Have you got my point? Accuracy and precision. But we need to get possibilities. Have you got my point? If I said 90 percentage, they should be get 95 percentage. Then only our output is right. Okay. Sometimes accuracy will get fail. Have you got my point? So then only we going for precision. We can directly use F1 score to check the score value. Have you got my point, guys? So then only mention read well. So ratio of correctly predict the instances. It may have positive or negative, right? It may have positive or negative, but precision positive observations. It only have positive observations and it also have only positive observation and to have divided by actual positive and this is a predicted positive. Have you got my point, Gautam?
Yeah, I've got.
So F1 score has a both matrices. So here we will directly get a score value. So here also you can check use any matrices. Okay. Have you got my point? Alka?
Yeah, getting.
Yeah, that's good. So this is our confusion matrix. This only I draw in this paint tool. Okay. So they both are same. Okay, confusion matrix. Okay.
So, in the same way that you have explained as accuracy and precision, can you
Okay.
please tell what is the recall?
Okay, so this is recalls the actual positive value, Gautam. So I assumed like these students only will get pass marks. Like
Okay.
you just see the sentences. Accuracy means it has both sentences. In classroom they have fail students also there and pass students also there, positive negative, right?
Correct.
So here only positive observations to predict positive observations only total, and here positive observation with actual. Okay, here is predicted positive observation but here is actual positive observation. Have you got my point?
Mm.
Okay, so and F1 score is contains both matrices. Have you got my point,
Yeah.
guys? These are the questions and formulas also asking in interview, so study well. Okay. Then now we will go to the algorithm. So the first one is logistic regressions. So logistic regression is, I already told, right, it's a supervised machine learning and is only used for binary classification. First you have to see in the graph, guys, then only you have to know. So this is the study hour, this is the pass. Okay. So if yes, if students studied 1 hour to 4 hour, they will get a fail mark. If they are studied above 5 hours, they will get a pass mark, right? Is Alkan Gautam?
Yes.
Now see the
Yes.
graph. Now see the graph. I explain you the code. Now see the graph. So this is our graph. So now see, if he has studied zero, first hour, second hour, third hour, fourth hour, he will get a fail mark. So if he studied above 5 hours, he will get a pass mark. Now see, this is a sigmoid curve and this is a threshold value. Have you got the answer? Have you got the point? Is
Yes.
now go to the theory part. Now go to the theory part. Just listen. Yeah. So it's used for binary classification and it has predicted the probability range, right? Particular class 0 to 1. So the name is only is it's regression, not a regression, guys. It's used for what? Classification. The name we have regression, but it's not a regression. It's a user for classification. Okay. So when we are using, so when dependent variable is category 0 or 1, maybe it's a 0 or 1 means what? It may be spam or not spam, positive or negative diseases, and credit card approvals, approval or rejected, like. Okay, and this is the sigmoid formula, so it means logistic regression formula. So you no need to memorize, just you can use logistic regression function on your coding. Okay, in our linear regression we have y equal to mx plus b, right? So we will just apply linear regression function, right? The same thing we are using logistic regression function only, and this is the formula, and this is the decision boundaries. If the students get greater than or equal to 50%, they are getting pass classes, and the remaining is zero classes. Failed categories are zero classes. Have you got my point?
We are applying the formula.
Yes, and these are the same. And we using last function, we will check the last percentage, last score. Okay, how many percentage, how much they are getting last. You can using last function. Okay, so it penalizes the wrong confident prediction. Okay, try to solve the better prediction. Okay, and evaluation matrix also accuracy, precision, recall, confusion matrix. Now we will go to our coding. Okay, so first we have to import our libraries. Now tell me why we are using pandas. Is pandas which is used for data manipulation and analysis. Don't get forgot, guys. So daily we have to revising. So why we are using numpy? So numpy we are using for mathematical
Mathematical.
calculations, and matplotlib is used for, now you people are seeing graph, right?
Visualization.
Yes, data visualization. And another one is in linear model they importing logistic regression, and in model selection they are importing train test split. In matrices they are importing
Split.
accuracy score, precision recall, f1 score, confusion matrix, and classification report also. And finally we will import as a warning, for which purpose we want to filter the warning sign, right? So then only we are using filter warning. Okay, so now go to another one. So you can, is it easy to create a table, guys, using data frame? Is it hard?
No,
Is
easy, easy.
okay. So which one is independent, which one is dependent?
Ours is independent.
Yes.
Result is dependent.
Yes. Okay, now we're going to train test to split. How many percentage they will getting for testing?
30.
So
30.
30 percentage means how many records will left?
3 will left.
3
Yes.
records.
7.
Seven records.
Hey, 3 records. We have 10 records. 30 percentage
They will
means,
be used 3 records.
yeah,
Correct.
yeah. Okay. So 30 percentage. You can check extrain, X test. So testing they are taking 9 hours, 2 hours, 6 hours. You people are know, right? If he study 2 hours, he will get a fail mark. If he study 9 hours, 6 hours, he will get a, guys, this is only testing data. Have you got my point? Only for testing. Okay, now you people are applying the x train y train on logistic regression function. You no need to memorize the formula, and you can test the probability. Okay, so predicted probability. Okay, so predicted probability range should be in this. So now just see the code, model dot predict probability x test. So now see what is the output here. Now see what is the output here. So this is the zeroth class and this is the first class. So first class is a pass, zeroth class is a fail. what are the thing we want? We want pass percentage, right? Hey guys, have you got my point? Guys, you have to assume this is a zeroth class. Zeroth class means what? Fail. First class is a what? Pass. We are only getting pass only. 98 percentage, 6 percentage, 80 percentage. Then only we give it. I need all rows, but I need a one column, not zeroth column. We need one column. So then only this is our output. Have you got my point? Have you got this line? Do you have any doubt in this line? Guys, do you have any doubts in this line?
Manually you are giving this these numbers in array.
Alka, this is their mark. These are their mark percentage. They are getting 98 or 6 marks and 80 marks.
Okay.
So this is our negative side. This is our positive side. Which one is you will carry?
Oh, okay. Because you have
This
been
is
Sorry, okay.
this is not output, right? This is
In
the
here, which one is you people are giving priority for here? Pass only, right? If he get pass or fail,
yes.
right? The first class, this is which one? Failed class. This is what? False class. So the same thing. So this is a failed class. This is a pass class. So we only getting a pass class only. We need only pass classes. So then only we are giving the slicing format, right? So I want all rows, but one column, not zeroth column. I only getting one column. Have you got my point? I just printing the variable here. So what's the output now? They are only taking 98, 6, then 80 percentage. Have you got my point?
So the data that we need to consider in that three
Yes,
3 by
we
2
want
matrix is
probability
after
class.
0 point.
Yeah.
Okay, after 0.98 means 98 percentage. He is a past person, correct?
Gautam, this is the zeroth class.
Okay.
This is the first class. Hey guys, just listen. So you people are studying 10th standard, A section, B section, C section, D section. Okay, A class, B class, C class, D class. So I'm just denoting A class as a 0, B class as a 1, C class as a 2, D class as a 3. Okay, the same concepts. It's
You
a
are giving the label.
this is a fail and this is a pass. So the pass is a zeroth class, like A class. So this is a fail. So it's a first class. One first class like B class. Okay, we are only taking B class only. We are only taking class 1 only. Have you got my point? See the command line, probabilities of class 1. We are only taking the class 1. So this is a class 0 and this is a class 1. Have you got my point?
Okay, we need to look at the data in columns, not the rows.
Only we are taking first column, class 1 column only. Only we are taking class 1 column. Have you got my point?
Okay, in class 1 column, one person failed, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Have you got my point? Yes, guys. Alka. What
yeah.
happened? What happened? So now.
So in the same way, like this is 0.98, so this is 98%. It's passed. So in the same way, 0.93, this is also passed, no?
0.93.
93.
This is the fail percentage. 93 percentage, the person is fail. 6 percentage only pass.
Right.
We are taking only pass percentage only.
Okay,
Guys,
what
see,
is,
see.
If
You are
98
one
is
second, one
passed,
second,
so
one second, one second. You are the principal now. You are checking pass percentage or fail percentage. Which one? Which
pass
one, you
percentage?
people? So here we only taking pass percentage only. Have we understood?
Yes.
Ah. So then only we will take class one only. Guys,
it was
it's getting
uploaded.
confusing, right? So this is sunny, rainy, cloudy, snow. So we have four. So this is a class zero. This is a class one. This is a class two. This is a class three. If we are taking rainy, so I am only taking a class one, right? I need only rainy column. So what I taken? So guys, I need only rainy column. So what I taken?
Class
Class
one. Class one.
one. So run sunny is a class zero, right? If I want sunny, I will take as a class zero. The same concept here I am telling you. So this is the fail class. This is the pass class. So it denote as a class zero. This is denote as a class one. I'm only taking the class one. Have you got my point? Is I'm only taking my past classes only. So class one only. Have you got my point? Guys, what happened? Say yes or no. Why you are quieting?
Yeah.
Have you got it
I
or
didn't get it.
confused?
No, I didn't get it.
Still you didn't get it.
Actually, Vasan, one thing is there. This is output, right? Not input. Like, this is not coding. This is the result, right?
Yeah.
You have not written it.
Alka, the students are getting 98 percentage on their paper.
Okay, 98 is fine. But
Please.
then after these numbers, these automatically comes here when we apply coding.
This is a predicted
988
probability.
double.
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. This is a predicted probability. Which one? X test. X test is a one person is 9 hours studied, 2 hours studied, 6 hours studied. If he 9 hours studied, he will. What's the pass mark here? 98 percentage. What's his fail mark? 0%, 1% something. So if he studied 2 hours, what is his pass percentage? 6. What's his fail percentage? 93. So 6
So
hours.
93%, like I can say 93% of students are getting fail. Or
Aha.
No, 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 no.
93%
Now I got the
Two,
point. Now I got it.
they are
two
getting.
hours people. They studied only 2 hours.
Hmm.
Don't confuse students. If you are studying 2 hours, you will fail 93 percentage. You will pass
93
06
times pass
Okay,
percentage.
marks.
there is probability of getting fail or 93%, right? If you are
Ah,
studying 2 hours, right? Na?
Ah,
correct, 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 correct.
So this is probability.
yes,
That is what
Alka.
prediction is the probability.
This is a probability, prediction
Okay.
probability. Okay,
Okay,
so we
fine.
are
Now
we
get.
are only taking passes only. This class only. Have you got my point?
Hmm.
So then only we giving as a I need all rows. But what are the columns I needed? I needed first column only, right? See the
Okay.
output, see the output. So this is the meaning, right? If you are studying 9 hours, you will get a 98 percentage. If you are
Of
studying
getting
2 hours,
passes.
0.06 something, and if you are studying 6 hours, you will get 80 percentage. Do you have any doubt
Of
here?
passing chances.
Yes. Do you have any doubt in this coding?
Yeah, we'll try now. We'll try and then confirm.
Okay, and the threshold is 0.5. If your score is greater than 0.5, as a input as a 1. If your score is high, your input is a 1. 1 is your pass.
Pass.
If your input is less, you will get fail. If your input is increases, so this is the threshold value. If the greater than
Now we
0.5,
are converting. Now we are converting that above threshold values into zeros and ones, so that
yes,
we can easily find the student whether the pass percentage is
yes,
pass or fail.
yes. So guys, only this 3 line of coding only I'm just expanded here. Okay, don't get confused, I just expanded the code. So it means how we are using model predict probability, I just print here, and how we are using y probability test, just I hear the given the output, and how the output is written y predict I just given. Do you have any doubts here? Yes.
Yeah. No.
Okay. Still you people are getting doubt here, huh?
No, we'll try it.
So this is the, so guys, just to see, we can take as a class 0, class 1, class 2, depends on content. So we have how many methods we have? 4. So we define, so this is a class 0, this is a class 1, this is a class 2, this is a class 3. If you want to check the rainy, which class you people are selecting?
One.
Last one.
Class 1. So assume that this one is fail, this one is pass. I need pass class only. Which class you people are selecting?
Class 1.
That's only I am selecting here. Here I am only selecting class 1. Here I am
Hmm.
only selecting this class 1 only. Okay, then only I giving this format. Have you got my point? So here my class 1 is print here. Have you got my point?
Hmm. Yes.
Often I am telling the same concept, right? And the last one is our accuracy. So everything is perfect. So everything is an 100%. Okay. So guys, we are taking fail percentage, right? We are taking fail percentage. This is also 100% accuracy, and one we support only one. So how many fail percentages here? 1. And how many pass percentage here? 2. So then only here we giving. So guys, 0 denotes fail and 1 denotes pass. So we getting, and the three accuracies are very 100%, right? Do you have any doubt here? So all are actual value and predicted value, actual value and predicted value. Don't get confused. Do you have any doubts here? Yes. Okay. So we will just see the graph. I tell you how to draw the graph. Okay, I tell you how to draw the graph. Just listen. Guys, here we using all the concept numpy, pandas, matplotlib. Now you have to know x range. You have to find the x range and y range probability. So linspace, you already used linspace, right? 0 to 11 means 0 to 11 it's splitted how many numbers? How many numbers it's splitted?
200.
200. So it means 0 to 11. Here guys, here why we are finding x range, y range means we want to draw the curve, we want to draw the smooth curve. So now give just small point. It's a 0 and this is a 11. So 0 to 11 we will give point till 200 point. So have you got my point? Small points will come. Have you got it?
Yeah, on scale from 0 to 1, there will be 10
0 to 11.
mini lines.
0 to
No, no.
11
I'm just
small
telling you an
points.
example. On a ruler scale, from 0
Yeah.
to 10, there will be mini lines will be there in
Yes,
between
yes.
the bigger lines.
But
That
in
way we
middle
are
we have,
dividing.
in middle we have 200 lines.
Got it.
Okay, wow. So and we want to reshape as a, so it means what? 200 rows, one column. So this is called 200 rows, one columns. I'm printing here. Have you got my point, guys? The 0, 0 0.5, 0 0.05, 0 0.11, 0 0.16. Have you got my point? Till 11. Have you got my point? Have you understood why X range?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the Y range, we are only predicting which one? The same concept. Which one we are taking? We are taking all
But
rows and one column. So here guys, here it is. Okay, this is y range. Then only we draw the smooth curve. So here plot we will give x range and y range in blue color line, right? So then only draw one by one. Here's a 200 point is there. 200 point is making as a smooth curve. Have you got my point?
yes.
So do you have any doubts in figure size and scatter plot? You already know x and y to become a scatter plot. Do you have any doubt here? Okay. And so we want to give axis line. So axis horizontal line, just give y is equal to 0.5, it automatically comes the lines ditto line, dot line from the 0.5. So color is green, the line style you can give any style, hyphen or star, anything, and the threshold label threshold is 0.5. Do you have any doubts in this code, this coding? Each and everything is easy. You have to take time. First you people do the coding, then only you can take your notes. Have you got my point? Is
Yes.
Yeah.
okay. And another one is cutoff line. You have to separating. If the people inside this in this subplot they are getting fail mark. If they are getting in the subplot they are getting pass mark. If the student studied I think 4.6 something hours, right? If they are studying in this hour they will getting pass mark. So how do you find the cutoff means? We will give the arguments. I'll explain you. Just we will give the cutoff variable. Just we will give the cutoff variable. It's orange color. The line is dotted here. I'll explain the coding, guys. Now see, first one is, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Okay. So the y you people are dividing the probability. So y range probability minus 0.5. Now you people are getting a minus value. If you are using absolute function, it automatically removes the negative value, right? Here you people are have negative value, right? Is Alkan Gautam.
Yeah, yes, having.
So here there is no negative value because we are using
Yes.
absolute function. Okay, absolute function. And the next one is argument, min argument. It find the highest value. Which one is minimum? So zero.
Highest.
Minimum. Zero.
Minimum, okay.
Yeah, zero. Which one is highest? Minimum 84. So 84 is the, sorry.
You are saying which one is highest and then minimum?
Alka, it's a argument minimum, so it find the highest value 84.
Okay.
So now you people are using, so the now you people are already know, so y range probability minus 0.5 and absolute and argument. So finally we find the x range is 4.64. Have you got my point?
Where the pass percentage starts.
Where the
Pass percentage starts.
after 4.64,
0.6 on. Correct.
after 4.64. So these are for pass percentage because the score is increasing, right? Have you got my point, guys? Not difficult, and you people are already know this one. So here I'm just asking if I am studying 5 hours. Okay, so it predicted input. What's the predicted class? What's the predicted class? If I am studying 5 hours, I am getting pass. Just predicted probability. We just seen our marks approximately. So what is our mark? So 59. If we studying 5 hours, we will get 59 marks. Have you got my point? So this is the range here. So we are using 0th index and first index. Have you got my point? Is have you got my
Yes.
point? So it's
Yeah.
in
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
in array. So just that's the reason we are using zeroth one. So we need first index. Have you got my point? Guys, these are the only coding. See, this is only the coding. The coding is very short, guys. I need explained expand only. Okay, this is our coding. Have you got my point? So this is our simple coding. We are getting output only. Okay, I just explained briefly. So don't get confused. You just do the I highlighted here, right? So you just do the coding one. It's enough. Okay. Have you got my point? Okay. So logistic regression is enough, guys. Tomorrow I will take remaining part. So today I completed a half of the part. So don't worry. I'll just scroll the Jupyter notebook. Is just first you have to do the coding, then you people are take your notes. Okay, you if you want you can code like this, guys. Okay, so otherwise you people are code the this thing only. So the coding is enough. You can do this coding is enough. The cell 22 is enough.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so because all are combined here, if you have any doubt you can code one by one. Okay, so now I stop the recording.